Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to my channel Tech Codism with Farhana. Today I'm going to show you how to add Python installation location to your environment in your PC. And don't further delay, let's go to the video. So first we have to check that where is our Python is installed. Here you can see it is almost okay. If we go Python, so this is our Python 3.12 64-bit. Okay, so here open file location. If you see here, this is our shortcut path, but we need our full actual path. So actual location is just right click here and open file location, and this is our actual path. And you need just here you can see python dot extension, everything is here. Okay, so now you have to copy this link, this path location link, and now we have to write here search bar environment, edit the system environment variable. Okay, so okay, this is so much small. Okay, this now we have to go environment variables. Okay, so guys, we have to click here this path and click edit, and here you can see different part is already given, and my location is also given here, so I don't need to give here. But if you have not give, that time you have to just click here new and then just paste your location, but I have already given it. Okay, and then you have to give backslash, so this is one, and you have to click here another, then backslash script, then backslash, and this is two, and then okay press. But I have already presented there, so I don't need it here. Delete. Okay, but if you don't have this, so just do this. Okay, that's okay. And okay, I don't need it here, just click here. Okay, this is already set up, just click here. Okay, so this is all about our environment setup. This is a very simple and easy process, and though I have also give here, but and if you don't have it on your environment setup, so just do it what way I have to I show you. So guys, I want to close it now, and if you like my video, please do like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. And in my next video I'll show you how to set Visual Studio with Python. Okay, so till then, Allah Hafiz, assalamu alaikum.